It is time to eat our very first RAMLY burger. We are here at BurgerBoss. My friend is preparing the RAMLY burgers over here. We've heard a lot about RAMLY burgers, that Malaysians absolutely love the RAMLY burger. It's like a childhood kind of memory for them, and a late night snack. There's like classic chicken, there's special chicken. We can get beef. Let's go for the special one. There's a double patty.
Double patty with egg with cheese.
Egg and cheese. Okay, so now we start the cooking. He's got some butter, he's putting it all over the kind of fry pan. We got an egg there.
It's going to be an omelette.
So he's smoothing that around. Add a bit of salt, or a little bit of salt. And this is some kind of sauce. Is it like a cheese sauce?
Yes.
Cheese sauce, I got it right.
Only special burger, no and any burger.
Okay. And this is is this the special sauce?
Yes.
It's like a gravy.
Okay, so he's coated the beef burger patty
this
with
is my famous sauce.
This is your famous special sauce. And what's the ingredient? Okay, so he's put some cheese on there. So we're really getting like a loaded burger. Oh, look at that drip down. Woo! You're like an actor, my friend. Okay, so he's gonna, I think, make this into like a little package.
Package.
Yes.
Only load.
Like a little delivery package. An omelette burger package. There we go, beautiful, beautiful. Okay,
Sauce. Wait.
add some sauce. So he's adding okay, so he's adding some, it looks like ketchup. But this doesn't look like ketchup, it looks like some kind of chili sauce.
Yeah, it's a chili sauce.
Chili sauce, okay.
More transparent than a ketchup.
Now,
Oh wow, the egg and beef patty package
now
just goes there.
mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Very saucy, very, very
Now
saucy.
cucumber.
Some cucumber. So you got some from over there.
Now a little chili sauce.
A little bit more of chili sauce. Is this like ketchup and chili mixed together?
No, only chili.
Only chili.
But Malaysia chili no spicy.
Not very spicy, just a little bit of spice.
CBT.
Okay, he's putting the toasted buns on top. And then he's gonna beautifully wrap it up into this RAMLY packaging. There we go. Oh. Let's open this up. Oh, look at that sauce coming out of there. We got some lots of tourists coming through to the street food market. It's very busy right now. It's Saturday evening, so just bear with us with the craziness in the background. But we've got here the bun. There's lots of sauces oozing out of that. And you can see the egg and the beef patty is inside of there. You ready to try some a RAMLY burger? Yes. We have an audience. My friend over here. What's your name? Ali. Ali. You like the RAMLY burger? It's good. All right, first bite for Carolina.
I'll try with the omelette.
All right. Oh, look at the juices coming out of that, the sauces. You can see some sauces around the mouth. I think that's very typical for a RAMLY burger. How does it taste?
I would say it's very flavorful.
Yeah.
You have actually a lot of ingredients, but they mix well together. And
Is it spicy? Is it?
It's not super spicy, but
Is it very saucy?
I would say it's very juicy and very saucy as well. Yeah.
And what's the meat? Can you taste the meat?
Yeah, and the omelette is the
Okay,
best.
so you can see the inside of here. You've got the omelette, and then the beef patties are wrapped. There's two of them there.
And actually, you can distinct the fresh ingredients as well, like the lettuce or the
It's a cucumber.
onion. Yeah.
It's an onion.
Yeah, yeah. It makes a really good combination. Yeah.
So you're happy with your RAMLY burger?
Yes.
Okay, guys. First bite of this RAMLY burger. Let's go for a big one.
What do you think?
Heaven.
I can see.
Oh yeah. Oh. Super saucy. You got the beef patty in there, you got the egg. Sweet, but like also spicy. I'm gonna go for another one. I'm happy. Oh, sorry guys.
Now you look presentable again.
When you have a RAMLY burger, I think it's normal to have sauce covered all over you. If you don't have sauce on your face, it means you haven't had a RAMLY burger.
Guys, this is the best place for a first date.
Look, we've been together for like 3 years. Well, I'm literally demolishing this because I haven't eaten all day, but this tastes so good. And it's just all the flavors are really well balanced together. You've got the sweet, you've got the spicy, you've got the beef patties, which are juicy, and the special sauce. I need to find out what that special sauce is from my friend over there. But one more bite and then I'll pass it over to Carolina. And you can taste the vegetables. The lettuce, the cucumber. It's very rare in a burger to taste the meat, the sauces, and all the vegetables all in one bite. Bagus! Bagus, my friend.
Bagus.
Sangat bagus.
Sangat bagus.
Yes, sedap.
Sedap.
Sedap, sedap.
Thank you.
It's really good, honestly. Oh, I haven't eaten all day and I just had a juicy bite and I was like, oh yeah, this is heaven. Okay. Thank you. All right, I think we're gonna have a few more burgers from my man over here. I'm gonna try his fried crispy chicken burger because I hear it's really good. And it's not a RAMLY burger, but I want to try this man's oh, I want to try this man's burger. That sounds kind of dodgy, but oh look at, she's just enjoying herself. Okay guys, almost demolished. Look at all the sauce there. And then we've got one last bite. I can't talk.
I think he's speechless. Our next choice is going to be chicken. I think the classic one, because I like to try always the traditional ones.
Next up, we want to try the classic chicken, just the classic chicken.
Just a classic.
We want to compare the special with the classic.
Okay.
And also Carolina wants to try the, look over there, she's excited to have the chicken.
Yeah.
But honestly, I'm really happy with the burger, it was so good.
Okay.
Bagus.
No.
My friend here is not the boss.
No.
My friend here is the boss.
No. Boss coming.
The boss is coming.
I like that coming.
Later is coming. He's keeping an eye on these guys.
Boss local.
Oh, he's a local. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Are you from Bangladesh? Okay, and are you local?
Local.
Indonesia?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, local.
Okay, so I can say enak.
Yes.
Enak. Or enak sekali.
Yes.
And my friend, where are you? You're local? Okay. Again guys, we have got the bun, toasted bun with the chicken patty, some mayonnaise, some chili sauce, cucumber, and then the bun on top, the classic one. Keeping it simple this time. We're gonna see how it compares to the special. I'm sure it is sedap. He loves it. He loves the Malay, the foreigner speaking Malay. Okay, terima kasih. All right, so this is yours, Carolina. Do you want to unwrap it? Go for it. Looks like a kid in a candy store. Ooh, so this one is very simple. We show a little on the side there. Got the chicken patty. There's no egg.
Let's try it.
Okay. Ooh. My man's opening the umbrella behind. Ooh. Okay, first impressions. Better or worse?
Different.
Okay.
I'm actually feeling piggy right now because it's just too satisfying, and I thought that it's going to be too heavy or like too saucy, but it's not.
Very light.
Yeah, it's lighter. Like you can see that actually the chicken it's say it? Like it's quite thin, and it actually tastes more like an egg, not like a chicken, to be honest.
Yeah, it looks like it's like a chicken patty. So you want to give me a bite?
It's quite thin.
That tastes very similar to McDonald's. Sorry, I'm talking in a mouthful.
If I didn't know, I would never say that it's chicken, to be honest. I would say that it's like a fish pate.
It's like a...
It's very soft.
It tastes like a chicken burger from McDonald's. Like a chicken...
I haven't tried yet.
Yeah. No, actually really good. Can I have another one? Bagels. Very good.
The lettuce is very crispy as well, very fresh. I could see that they're putting it into the water first.
Yeah. The thing I like about this one is it's not too overpowering with the sauce. You've just got the patty, a little bit of sauce, and the vegetables. So actually, I think I like this one. Actually, no, I like them both. They're just different. They're just very different. I would try both of them, like we've just done right now. So you can see here, guys, you've got the toasted bun, the vegetables, and there's the chicken patty here. Let's give this another go. It's like falling apart in my hand. I need to hold it up like that. There we go. I got it. Oh, stick it on paper. Heaven.
Last bite.
Look at that. So next up, my friend.
Yes.
Crispy chicken.
Crispy here.
Crispy's here? Ah. So are you cooking the crispy chicken? Oh, here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your station. Okay. So you fry. Ah, the fry is here, and then you got the chicken there. Oh wow, that looks delicious. Woo. Very hot. So he does the salads, the preparation, the sauces. Oops. So he does the salads, the preparation, the sauces, and he also does the fry station on the chicken. Okay, my friend from Indonesia.
Yes.
We're going to Indonesia next.
Yeah.
We're going for 2 months. Yes. I like Indonesia.
Yeah.
So he's got the chicken in there. It's been freshly fried, and now it's time to put it into the burger, right? Okay, I'm gonna come around, getting some calories burnt, walking in and around this store. Really good lads here, very nice people. Ah, he's here. So we've got the chicken there, and he's going to prepare it here with this RAMLY packaging. Ali, my friend, making the chicken. So he's got the... Ali, you're going to be famous on YouTube. That's what they were saying in Malay, I think. So you got the chicken. And this is... what sauce is this here?
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to put cheese? Sliced cheese?
What do you think? Is it better with sliced cheese or no cheese?
Sliced better.
No cheese. Let's have it just with the chicken.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. We're gonna pack this one up, and then we're gonna try the fried one. Oh, something's going on here. another YouTuber. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, so I have no idea what's happening. We've got some. Okay. We have a phone with a QR code. So we got a QR code here. That's me, yes.
Yes, you will be on it.
Yeah. Where are you? I was going to say the same thing to you. I'm from England.
Algeria.
Algeria,
Yes.
cool. Your whole family from Algeria?
Yes.
Are you enjoying Malaysia?
My husband and my children.
Husband the YouTuber. Yeah. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. See ya.
That was nice.
Yeah, that was nice. So I think I ordered just one fried chicken. Let's get a lighting there. And apparently we're getting fries, and I'm a little bit worried because there is 2 there. So I really wanted. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's dipping the chicken fresh.
Yes.
In the batter. Is the egg yolk? Egg. And then he's coating it in this kind of flour, the batter.
Yes.
And then when he pops it into the fryer, and he's putting it into the fryer fresh. You hear the sizzle? Ooh, you can hear the sizzle. There we go. Absolutely love fried chicken.
Saya.
Saya? Oh, it's ayam. Saya.
Saya.
Saya. Sangga. Lapa. Saya. Saya. Sangga. Lapa.
Nama saya Carolina.
Nama saya Ronnie. The first time YouTuber make the RAMLY chicken burger. For everybody see. Come.
Watch closely.
So Ronnie's going to teach me how to prepare the chicken burger. This isn't a RAMLY burger, remember, this is the crispy fried chicken that is his recipe. Okay, we're not preparing it, we've got the food here. This is the fried chicken, not RAMLY, fried chicken from Ronnie. Mmm, crispy. There's some like spice in there, in the batter. There's some spice?
Yeah,
Okay.
better with spice.
Okay, the batter's got spice in there. Mmm. Mmm. I like all three of them. They're very different, all three of them. The beef has a different taste, obviously the chicken and the fried chicken has a different kind of texture to it.
And also in the beef one there was an egg.
Oh yeah, and there's some egg in there. But in the crispy chicken one, the one I like about this is the texture of the chicken is more like chicken. Whereas the RAMLY burger, the classic ayam chicken, it's like a patty, so it doesn't really feel like chicken. It's more like a patty.
That's true.
So these guys are open until 3 a.m. in the morning. So when the Jalan Alor street food market, a lot of the stalls close, they all come to my friend here and he gets big business.
Only me last.
He's the last one and he sells like 300 every day, which is an insane amount of burgers. Terima kasih, my friend. Thank you for all the food. We have to pay now.
Here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't. Okay, let's pay over here. What is the damage, Ronnie?
First, double special cheese. Later, classic
Chicken. Yes.
Now classic crispy.
And the classic crispy. Yes.
That's all.
That is everything. We're now. Whew, bellies are full.
21.50 cents.
21. We've got 50 here. Thank you very much.
2 ringgit.
You got 2 ringgits, Carolina?
Yes. 150.
Okay. You take this first.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Okay. 1 ringgit. 2 ringgit. Okay.
All good,
No,
Ronnie? No.
1 ringgit 50 cents.
Yes. 21 and a half.
21.50.
Okay, guys.
Okay, bye.
So thank you so much, guys.
Subscribe, like, share, comment, all everything.
Awesome.
Don't forget it.
Don't forget it. That's awesome. That's just so good. All right. See you later, guys. Bye. It was nice meeting you. Bye.
Thank you.
See you later, my friend. Bye bye.
Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck, guys. All right. So we're full, and we had an absolutely fantastic time. That was absolutely delicious. Very happy to have met them. We spent a lot of time with them. They said basically that we spent more time with them than anyone, except for the first person who came to film them. Everyone just comes there for like maybe 15 minutes and then they leave, but we kind of spent more time with them, got to know them. We are on Jalan Alor street food market. It is absolutely crazy. You can see there's tons of people in front of me, behind me. But we're here in Malaysia for a whole month, so there's going to be a ton of content. We're here in Kuala Lumpur for 10 days, so don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.